Penblwydd Hapus, America. 250 years ago, when your Declaration of Independence was signed, people from Cymru, from Wales, were part of the story. In the centuries since, the connection between Cymru and the United States, well, it's only grown stronger. Today, that connection lives on in music.
My mission as a composer is to celebrate the sound of Wales and to put that at the forefront of the orchestral music field.
Katie Jenkins, born in Pontypridd, shaped in New York, studied at Juilliard, now making waves on the world stage. She's the creative force behind Wales's gift to the United States as it marks 250 years of independence. The French gave the Statue of Liberty. From Wales, well, we're giving the gift of music. After all, we are the land of song.
Our language is like music to me, the way that the sentences are put together and the way that people use intonation to speak. We've got an amazing team of collaborators lined up. A full orchestra, a male voice choir, a youth choir, the national poet of Wales, Hanani Issa. She is incredible. Chloe Flower, she's a really uplifting collaborator. She brings really great energy to the project. It's just amazing to be a part of this journey, to have so many incredible artists come along for the ride.
Symphony'r Môr Mawr, a transatlantic symphony. This is Wales's gift to America. A new orchestral work with voices told across 3 movements. It journeys from Wales to America, telling the story of Welsh settlers, celebrating shared traditions like hymn singing and choral music, and looking ahead to the future of our relationship. This is something truly special, a celebration of who we are and the connections we share. O Wlad y Gân, Penblwydd Hapus, America.